Sony RX100 VII Review, the Ultimate Compact Camera Basic Bundle. The Sony Cyber-shot DSC-RX100 VII has consistently proven itself as a powerhouse in the premium compact camera market. Designed to deliver the speed and performance of a much larger system in a pocket-sized body, this camera is a game-changer for travelers, vloggers, and everyday shooters. Purchasing the basic bundle is one of the smartest ways to invest in this device, providing the essential accessories needed to start capturing high-quality content straight out of the box without the hassle of sourcing compatible gear. Key performance features. This tiny camera is packed with professional-grade technology that guarantees sharp, vibrant images and smooth video. Premium sensor and lens. It features a 20.1 MP 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor paired with a highly versatile ZEISS 24-200mm f/2.8-4.5 zoom lens, allowing you to capture everything from wide landscapes to distant subjects. Lightning-fast autofocus. The RX100 VII boasts real-time tracking and real-time IAF for both humans and animals, ensuring your subjects remain perfectly in focus. With autofocus calculations happening at incredibly high speeds, it locks onto targets in just 0.02 seconds. Blackout-free speed. You can shoot continuously at up to 20 frames per second without any viewfinder blackout, making it ideal for fast-moving action. Vlogger-friendly video. Content creators will appreciate the crisp 4K HDR video recording, active stabilization, and the 180-degree flip-up touchscreen. Crucially, it also includes a 3.5mm microphone input for elevated audio quality. Why choose the basic bundle? When investing in premium electronics, ensuring you have the right starting accessories is key to a smooth experience. While bundle specifics can occasionally vary by retailer, a standard basic bundle significantly enhances the camera's out-of-the-box